Hi friends, welcome back to Guide for All. In this session, we are going to discuss about frequently asked questions in exam related to temples in India. These are selected. Let's begin with the first question. Which ruler has built Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya? So correct answer is Ashoka. The Mauryan Emperor Ashoka has built Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya, it is located at Bihar, and Bodh Gaya, it is the place of Lord Buddha's enlightenment. So Gautam Buddha got enlightenment here only, and the site of Mahabodhi's temple provides the exceptional records of the events associated with the life of Buddha and subsequent worships. So it related to except records of life and events of Buddha. So move to next question. Where is Karni Mata temple is situated? So correct answer is Bikaner. Karni Mata temple is situated at Bikaner. Bikaner, it is placed in Rajasthan. And Karni Mata is the Kuldevi of Charana or and Rathor of Bikaner, and the most of rats are found in the temple, hence the temple is called as a temple of rats. Temple of rats. To next question. The famous shrine of Badrinatha is located on the bank of which river? So correct answer is Alkananda. The famous shrine of Badrinatha is located on the bank of Alkananda in the Chamoli district. Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. And the Badrinatha temple, it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. And it is constructed in Pavara style. And it is a part of 4 pilgrim site collectively called as a Charadama Yatra, and the other 3 are being Dwarka, Gujarat, and second one is Puri in Odisha. And Rameshwaram. It is in Tamil Nadu. And apart from this, there is few more important temples located in Uttarakhand. They are Kedarnath temple, and Gangotri temple, and Yamunotri temple. Move to next question. In which of the following state Dwarkadishwar temple is located? Correct answer is Gujarat. And Dwarkadishwar temple is also known as Jagat Mandir. And also known as Universal Shrine or Triloka Sundara. The temple is built of soft limestone and soft limestone is used in the construction of the temple. And this temple is originally built by King Vajranava. Vajranava is a great grandson of Lord Krishna, and this temple is located on Gomti River. Move to next question. Which among the following temples tops the list of India's richest temple? So correct answer is Tirupati Balaji Temple. So Tirupati Balaji Temple is the richest temples in India. It is located in Andhra Pradesh, and it is situated on 7th peak of Tirumala Hills. Tirumala Hills, and Tirupati Balaji is also the form of Lord Vishnu. Move to next question. The famous Virupaksha temple is located in which place? So correct answer is Hampi. It is in Bellary district of Karnataka. And the Virupaksha temple, it is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and acknowledged as one of the World Heritage Site of, and it is also the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. And Hampi is also known as the City of Ruins. Move to next question. The Shirdi Sai Baba temple is located in which state? So correct answer is Maharashtra. It is built over the Samadhi of Sri Sai Baba. And it's built in 1922, and Shirdi Sai temple is located in Shirdi village in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. Move to next question. Which deity is worshipped in Ramanatha Swami temple at Rameshwaram? So correct answer is Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva, a Hindu deity, worshipped at Ramanatha Swami temple, and it is in Tamil Nadu. And this is Ramanatha Swami temple. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Temples. Move to next question. Kashi Vishwanatha temple is one of the most famous temple dedicated to which god? So correct answer is Lord Shiva. So Kashi Vishwanatha temple, it is located in Varanasi. It is in Uttar Pradesh, and it is located on the bank of holy river Ganga. And it is also one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Move to next question. The famous Meenakshi Ammana temple in Madurai was built during the which dynasty? So correct answer is Pandyas. During the Pandya dynasty, the Meenakshi Amman temple built, and it was built by King Kulasekaran, built by Kulasekara Pandyan. Kulasekara Pandya, and it is in Madurai. As you know, it is in Madurai. Tamil Nadu, and it is located on the bank of Vaigai River. Vaigai River. Move to next question. In which state Sabrimala temple is located? So correct answer is Kerala. So Sabrimala temple, it is located in Kerala, and it is dedicated to Lord Ayyappa. And Sabrimalam Sri Dharma Shastra temple is the most famous prominent among all the Shastra temples in Kerala. And in September 2018, Supreme Court gave a historical verdict allowing entry of women of all age group, into the Sabrimala temple. So before that, there is no allow. Move to next question. In which of the following states Vaishno Devi temple is located? So correct answer is Jammu Kashmir. The Vaishno Devi temple, it is located in Jammu Kashmir, and Vaishno Devi is a Hindu pilgrimage. It is nestled in the Trikuta mountain. It is nestled in the Trikuta mountain. Move to next question. Where is the famous Somanatha temple is located? So right answer is Gujarat. And Somanatha temple is believed to be the first among all the 12 Jyotirlingas. So it is believed that it is one of the first among all the 12 Jyotirlingas. Jyotirlingas in India, and in 1024 AD, Muhammad Ghazni invaded on Somanatha temple, and he looted the temple in 10,000 AD. Muhammad Ghazni. Muhammad Ghazni invaded here and looted the temple. Move to next question. The world famous Khajuraho temple of Madhya Pradesh was built by. So correct answer is Chandela dynasty. So Khajuraho temple, it is located in Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh, and it was added in UNESCO's World Heritage Site in 1986 to UNESCO's World Heritage Site list. And Khajuraho, it is a group of 85 temples, and this is dedicated to Hinduism and Jainism. Move to next question. Who among the following is the principal deity of Sri Padmanabha Swami temple? So correct answer is Lord Vishnu. So Sri Padmanabha Swami temple, it is located in Tirunantapuru, of Kerala, and the Titluru Maharaja of Travancore, Moolam Tirunal Ramavarma is the trustee of the temple, and it is built in Chera style and Dravidian style of architecture. In 16th century. Move to next question. Which of the following temple was also called as a white pagoda? So correct answer is Jagannath temple. So Jagannath temple is also called as a white pagoda, while Konark Sun temple, it is called as a black pagoda. And Jagannath temple, it is located in Puri of Odisha state, and this is dedicated to Lord Jagannatha, the form of God, Lord Vishnu, and it is one of the Char Dhamas. And it was built by Ganga dynasty king Anantavarma. Dynasty king Anantavarma. Varman Chodavanga. In 12th century, and this also is famous for its annual Rath Yatra. Move to next question. In which among the following places a lotus temple is located? So correct answer is New Delhi. So lotus temple is located in New Delhi, and it is designed by architect Furi Burj Sabha. He belongs to Iran, and it is built in 1986, and the structure is made of pure white marble. Move to next question. In which state Golden Temple is located? So correct answer is Punjab, and Golden Temple is located in Amritsar of Punjab. Punjab, and it is a preeminent spiritual site of Sikhism. And the temple is also known as Harminder Sahib. Harmandir Sahib, and it was built by 5th Sikh Guru Arjuna Deva. Arjun Dev in 1604. Move to next question. In which place Kamakhya temple is located? So correct answer is Guwahati. Kamakhya temple is located in Guwahati of Assam state. And it is Kamakya temple is one of the main 51 Shakti Pitas, and it is one of the main 51 Shakti Pitas in India. And Kamakya temple, it is situated on the Neelachala hills. Neelachala hills in Assam. And Kamakya Devi, also known as goddess of fertility, and also known as goddess of fertility. Move to next question. Who built the Konark Sun Temple? Correct answer is Narasimha Deva first. So the Narasimha Deva first of Eastern Ganga dynasty, Eastern Ganga dynasty, built the Konark Sun Temple, and this temple is dedicated to the god Surya Deva, and Konark temple is also known as Black Pagoda. And the temple complex of the Konark Sun Temple was declared as UNESCO's World Heritage Site in 1984. UNESCO's site. Move to next question. Which of the following temple is built by Rashtrakuta dynasty? Correct answer is Kailasanatha temple. So Kailasanatha temple of Ellora, built by Rashtrakuta, especially King Krishna first, Krishna first. Move to next question. The Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjavur was built by an emperor of which dynasty? So correct answer is Chola. The emperor of Chola dynasty, Rajendra Chola. Chola built the Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjavur, and Tanjavur, it is located in Tamil Nadu, and the Brihadeshwara temple, and it is dedicated to Lord Shiva. And Brihadeshwara temple Tanjavur, it is the world's first complete granite temple. World's first granite temple. That's it. The PDF of the lecture can be downloaded from our Telegram channel. The link has been given in the description box. Please check it. If you like this session, please like and share it. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel.